My name is Samir Vuyyuru. I run the location-based services team as SVP and General Manager for Comtech. We do location-based services, and I'm the SVP and General Manager in charge of that particular division. So if you ever dial 911 in the United States, and I hope you haven't, from your cell phone, we're the ones who actually basically locate you. And we pass that information on to the closest first responders or public safety answering points. That's how you would know us. So we're in 85 countries worldwide, providing location-based services to emergency services. And now we're expanding into the IoT world, into the enterprise world for location-based services, fleet management, asset tracking, you name it, anything to do with location, including and up to analytics. We are your team. So digital is absolutely critical. As you recall, most of the calls used to go over landlines, just way back, right? And now it's cell phones, and the next step is IoT, right? So IoT devices are actually going to be intelligent enough to make emergency calls on your behalf, to be able to diagnose what the emergency is, and to be able to provide all the data that's required for a first responder to be ready upon arrival to serve you. And you're actually going to be able to prevent emergencies. You're going to be able to prevent accidents, prevent any sort of catastrophes with the right analytics tools, predictive analytics, and with the ability to knit across nations, which is now a patchwork, the ability to knit across geographies and across different virtual environments. Been fantastic, and I'll tell you why. Most service companies and most companies that we deal with on a contractual basis typically tend to be very transaction oriented, whereas InfoStretch has been a relationship oriented, in for the long haul, with us based on our success or failure. They've been with us both ways. The most important thing is that they have a breadth of expertise, right? From virtual functions in networking, through to IoT, through to telecom, embedded application development, testing. There's always someone who's got the skill set that they've been able to draw upon, which is quite rare on a very flexible basis. All companies eventually find somebody, but the fact that I can call on this myriad and mix them together immediately is what InfoStretch brings to us. Flexibility, right? And the ability to be diverse in their core competences and to be able to stitch those together. So, yeah, flexibility. So, a lot of the stuff that we've done is really cutting edge with InfoStretch. For example, we're bringing location to devices that have no ability to locate themselves. Small tags, right? We've come up with something called the IoT location platform, and InfoStretch has been critical in helping us do that. Now they've helped us do chatbots. They've helped us get into one of the largest carriers in the United States with a virtualized network function that we just didn't have the bandwidth to do on our own. So they came to this party, provided expertise, provided manpower, and executed on time. So if you look at the really hot areas, cloud, they've done it for us. IoT, they've absolutely done that for us. Chatbots, absolutely. And I look forward to working with them on future endeavors too, like predictive analytics based on location, and data mining, data management, data security. So that's really where I'm looking forward to engaging with InfoStretch going forward.